Good afternoon, and welcome to my video of the D-sets, the Mariong trains, the new trains that entered service, the Mariongs. In this video, I'll be just doing a brief overview, summary / tour kind of sort of thing of the Mariong D-set. And the reason why I'm doing this voiceover right now is because there was people on the train, so yeah. Enjoy the rest of the video looking around the D-set. I'll play some background music so you don't get bored. And also before we get into it, they're actually playing a little advertisement sort of thing saying about what Mariong meant and the history of these trains, and not the history but the name, what Mariong meant. And yeah, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right now we're in a quiet garage, so I had to be quiet, that's why I recorded this. So before I stop talking, I will just say that one thing in the quiet carriages, the one thing you can tell about the quiet carriages is the roof is black, right? But in all the other carriages, like the non-quiet carriages, for example, the roof is grey. So yeah, that's a little touch, and yeah, I loved the D-set. Thank you. And sit back, relax, and enjoy this tour of the Mariong fleet. Thank you.